Okay, so today I'm gonna make peanut butter and jelly banana French toast. Let's start with the batter, okay? Super simple. We're gonna start with 2 eggs. 2 eggs. I recommend getting a pan like this. It's easier to soak the bread. So warm. Ooh, this one was already cracked. I guess we'll use it. Okay, so 2 eggs in there. Throw it away. Okay, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt just to balance the flavor, okay? Do that, please. And then vanilla, because hello. You can use almond extra if you want, but I'm gonna use vanilla because hello, OG. And this is optional, but I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder because I love cinnamon powder. And please add milk. A whisk, period. And be gentle, okay? Be gentle. And then just whisk it up. Make sure you mix this very well, okay? We don't want no egg whites floating around. Jasmine. And let's do the sandwich. So I'm gonna be using honey wheat. I don't have the butter flavor one. Or like just normal white bread, but oh well. Let me pop this open. Come on, you go to the gym, girl. Come on. There we go. And cover all the bread. The edges and everything. Don't be shy, okay? So I'm gonna do half of one because it's gonna be too much. Cut it thinly, like this, like that. You see, like that. I'm gonna sprinkle some cinnamon. You don't have to, but boom, that's it. Now close it up. Put the lid on. Put the lid on, and now make sure you sealed it, okay? Because when you flip it, it's not gonna be like, you know, it's gonna be anyway. So you just like seal it, you know, make sure the edges are together. Anyway, do that. Soak it. Now let it sit. Okay. Let it sit, please. Because people like, boom, flip it over. Like, no, let it sit. Let it soak up. You know, get that flavor on. 30 seconds. Time to flip. Time to flip. You see how soggy it is? Look at that. Perfection. Anyway, let that there. Now, let me start heating up my frying pan and I'll be right back. Got the butter in. Boom. Man, this butter from Publix, this one here, oh my god, it burns so quick. Crunching on the bottom, so let's flip this. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And we're done. It's crispy and I have some leftovers, Cracker Barrel, just pancake syrup. This thing is so good. Woo, my goodness. Don't tell me you don't want this. Now you can definitely add, oh my god, my mouth gets water. Get that flavor on. If you want to, but girl, no. Buen provecho. It's just so delicious. That's it. That's it. If you're gonna make this, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.